that for Oklahoma scored any football game this year is 35. I absolutely believe with an open game, there is going to be better in terms of this game than the previous.
Pushback.
Many think this will be
nothing but pushback, man.
Football game. I, on the other hand, do not. I think that Oklahoma.
That shit got me looking Guyanese, Chinese, or whatever the fuck. Boy, nigga, it's kush stuff. Yeah, this how this shit is. Got nice views and shit out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Get that kush back.
Texas Tech.
I'm saying, we got Brother in the cup.
Over 100,000 votes at Sports Nation.
I'm sorry these views though what we got out here, man. We got some nice views out here. Let me take y'all out here real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just real quick. We got, you know what I'm saying? We got some nice views. You know what I'm saying? I did come to y'all, know what I'm saying, when it was dark. Yeah, it's morning time now. Looking nice out here, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, what's that down there? What's that? Y'all know what that is. We got views of this shit. See what I'm saying? We got views of this shit. We watch our shit from our balcony. You know what I'm saying? See that shit. Oh, what's that over there? Goddamn. Can't forget that. At least 5 motherfucking stories up. You know what I'm saying? We on top of the world, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We out here in resorts and shit, see what I'm saying? This how a nigga do it, man. You know what I'm saying? Work a nigga squad, you know what I'm saying? You know, when nigga come out, have fun, you know what I'm saying? We win in your town, in your city, you know what I'm saying? Hit up event or some shit. You know, you see that shit, man. Damn, nigga tipping out of goddamn.
Oh yeah, man, you know me go out.
Damn.
Smaller status.
Fuck is that? Crystal or some shit?
You know. We just chilling.
Nice little centerpieces and shit. Brother.
Bag of kush pipe. We ain't got no sights of that shit, man. We got a tiny bag of that shit to smoke, man. Ain't none of us there, man.
Personal use only. Personal use only.
Weed and pills is all we say.
Personal use only.
Weed, pills, and that.
Personal use only. Personal use only. Bye, motherfuckers. So, baby.